Oh, that is so fun. You guys. I don't know, guys, like Apple, I know you did not just do this to me and give me a broken AirPod. Are they worth the hype? Hey guys, it's your girl Nathaly and I here, and I'm here today with a 3-in-1 video unboxing, first impression, and review. So today our video is going to be about the AirPods Pro with the wireless charging case. So these came out about March of this year, and there's been a lot of mixed reviews about them. So today I'm going to review them and see, is it worth the hype or is it not worth the hype? I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please like and comment on this video. Comment what kind of videos you guys want next, or comment like what you think about them. And please subscribe to my channel. That means so much to me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so going on about the AirPods Pros, a big question that everyone has been wondering is, what's the big difference between the Pros and the regular AirPods? So I'm gonna say right now, and I'll be able to put my sources in the description box. So first, something that the AirPods Pros has but the regular AirPods don't is they have active noise cancellation, auto transparency mode, and it's water and sweat resistant. And they have this in-ear designs, as you can see. You've seen a picture of them. The design of the new AirPods are way different than the old ones. So there's a big price difference between the AirPods Pro and the regular AirPods. The AirPods Pros retail for $249, as the regular AirPods are $159 without wireless charging, and with wireless charging it's $199. So they both have that H1 chip, and they have that Hey Siri and all of that, but this one, sweat and water resistant, and that noise canceling, and etc. This one has only 4.5 hours of listening time, while the other ones have 5 hours of listening time. But they both have that more than 24 hours of listening. And so now we are going to open them. Long waited, so excited. So right here, AirPods Pros. So this is the part I always struggle with, is always trying to open them. Oh wait, no, they have this thing right here where I can just peel. So it's not that hard for me now. Okay, thank you, Apple. They saw a girl was struggling and they said, I got you. Okay. ASMR. I don't know if that's still a thing that people like to watch, but I like them, so. So here we go. AirPods Pro with the wireless.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
So, going in, as always, they have that Designed by Apple paper, which I will read later. So right here is my AirPods Pros, and I'm going to open them and show y'all. As you can see, they look way different than the other ones. This is how they look. I'll put a picture on the screen right now. As you can see, these are way wider than the other ones. I think they're bigger because, like, if I turn it right here, it's like taller. So it's different in that way, because the original ones are like this, while these are like more wider. Kind of like a watermelon and an egg. Weird scenario that I just said, but you get the drift. So opening them up, they look like this. Of course, I have that white thing right here. So getting them out. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay. So this is the right AirPods Pro. As you can see, they look way different than like the regular AirPod. As you can see, they have this, I think you call it silicone tip right here. And you can change it out. If I open the box right here, open this up, I have the charger, of course. And another big difference is this is the, I think it's called USB-C charger. It comes with these right here. So these are to change out this so that you can customize it to where it'll fit you. Like maybe this too small, too big. So they have different ones that you can change out, or let's say maybe you lose them. So I like that they have this right here. So right here, I can try them on to see, you know, how I like them, if they fit and stuff. And if not, it's okay. I can use this. So right now, I'm kind of iffy about the design. Maybe it's just because I haven't seen any that looks like this, but it looks very futuristic. This is how they look. I'll put a picture on the screen. So let's see how they fit. I'm gonna get the other one out, see how they fit in my ear. I hope they have cute cases for these because I love the AirPod cases. Okay, so putting them in. They actually fit very snug. Putting them in my ear right now, I sound so loud in my head, but probably to the camera right now I'm like not that loud, or maybe I'm screaming, I don't know. But they feel very snug, like so comfortable, and it's so weird because I have the other AirPods and like they feel nice too, but these are like really comfortable. I'm gonna set these up to see how they work, and then we can get that review and how they actually feel. Because while they may look nice and they may feel nice in my ear, the real test is the music and what it takes setting it up. So since I'm recording with my iPhone right now, because my camera isn't working, I'll fix that later. I couldn't wait, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna record my iPhone camera. So I'm just gonna connect it to my sister's phone and then connect it to my iPhone. So first, gotta make sure the Bluetooth is on. Bluetooth is on. So if the pairing is exactly the same as the other AirPods, and all I have to do is just open this. Oh, I think I have to have these in there too. One thing I always get confused about is putting them in. I don't know why, because it'll tell me. Okay, so I'll put a screenshot about how it looks right now. So they show up right here as like AirPods Pro, and then they just turn around. Is there any BTS fans? If you are, comment, because my sister is a big BTS fan. Anyway, this video is about BTS, so I'm gonna click connect. So then the little dot right here turned from white to orange. So for media control, I can press and hold on either AirPods. What do I mean press and hold? Oh, so if I wanna switch from like noise canceling also, I just press and hold from like right here. I did notice that, but like if you see right here on this side, I'll put a picture up. They have this like little design, and then that's how I switch from like noise canceling all stuff. That's so cool. So I can set up Hey Siri and all that. So it's like, hey Siri, play a song. And then they can announce my messages for me too. I'm not gonna do that right now. And then it's pretty much like the other AirPods where it's like you open it up and it'll say how much battery each one has. And that's so cool. I'm probably gonna have to watch a lot of videos or like research on this, but that's really cool on how I can choose from noise canceling or not. Like right here, pressing like this. So I'm going to do the music test right now. So let's see if it passed our music test. So now I'm going to be doing the music test. I'm going to be playing the new song that I'm in love with by YNW Melly, Suicidal. Okay, so I'm putting them in right now. They feel so comfy. So apparently I have it on the Apple page right now. If I want to skip, I double press that sensor, and then to go back, I triple press it. It's going to take so much getting used to, but it's really cool. Okay, so I disconnected from my sister's phone. I'm going to use my phone because at first it wasn't working at all. Like only one AirPod was working, and I was like, Apple, I know you did not give me a broken AirPod. I was like, I trust Apple with all my heart. I was like, this can't be happening. So I connected to my phone, so let's hope it works. I'm going to be playing Suicidal by YNW Melly. So far it's my new favorite song. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to put it on a little bit, but not full volume. Okay, so far it's a little loud. I'm about to put it on full volume. Oh, this is loud. I don't know if I'm shouting right now, but this is loud. This is Spy. You can hear the music really good, like really good. Like if you're going to the gym or something like that, these are great. And they feel so comfy. It's like I can barely feel that I have them on. I don't know if I'm yelling or not, but they feel so good and comfy. It's like I don't even know that I have them on. So let me see how I put noise cancellation on. I know you, we were meant to be your life. Yo, this is so like fire. Like these feel amazing. Like I think I'm in a new another world right now, and I'm not even exaggerating. Like these feel so good. It doesn't feel like I have them on. So far I don't think I need to change out from these because these feel pretty good. So right now I'm trying to figure out how I put the noise cancellation on. Okay, so play. So now I press that little thing. Oh, that's so fun. You guys, I can hear my voice. I feel like I sound so loud right now, but oh my god, and I hear the music. This is so cool. Okay, this is so cool. This is so cool. Like the music just drastically changed. I didn't think it would change that much, but like I feel my voice so loud and clear. Like I probably sound so weird right now, but this sounds so cool. Okay, I think I'm ready to review these. Okay, that was so cool, you guys. I didn't know it would be that cool, but yo, that was so freaking cool. Okay, guys, so I'm here with my final review on the AirPod Pros with wireless charging. So first, opening these and just like seeing them online and stuff like that, I was a little skeptical about them. And honestly, are they worth the hype? The answer is yes. These are worth the hype. First off, this little case right here is okay. You know, I'm not hating it, but I'm not like, oh my god, I love these. You know, they're okay. At first, I didn't really like the design of these, but putting them in my ear, they feel amazing and they feel so comfortable. The other ones are nice too, but I would say they wouldn't feel as comfortable if you were like going to sleep or just laying down in your bed. But these, they're so comfortable, you can barely feel like they are in your ear. I put these on full volume listening to music, and these go loud, really loud. And then I tried the noise canceling. I was confused at first, but all I had to do was press that little stem, like just hold it. Don't tap it, hold it. But like hearing those chains, like it had a little like beep or like pitch noise, I don't know. But they were so cool, and it was like I could hear myself talk, but as soon as I heard the music and like my voice felt so loud. And although like these are not the first to have the noise canceling, like these are amazing, and apparently they're the lightest and like the smallest, and these are good. Like the music felt like really rich and clear, and I could really like feel the beat, you know what I'm saying? Music hits differently when you can like feel the beat and everything, you know? But overall, I really like these. I thought like with the wireless charging would come like with the little wireless charger, but I guess that I had to buy my own. But it still comes with like the charger case. And then these are the USB-C ones, same as like the MacBook and all that stuff. And I'm not too mad about it changing, because I mean it comes with that, but these are really cool. I'm gonna have to like play around with these and see how they work like in the future and stuff like that, and like just figure out like how I work each feature and stuff like that. But overall, I really do like these. I think that they are worth the hype, and if you're thinking about getting them, I think you should. I remember that I was like, oh, I don't know if I should get them, but I'm really glad that I did. I can't wait to use them and get like a cute little case for them. But overall, these are worth the hype, and you guys should get them. Thank you so much if you made it into the end. My AirPods just fell. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and maybe I persuaded you into getting them. Overall, I think these are worth the hype, from the noise canceling to the design and everything. They are worth it, in my opinion. And I really do like them. I can't wait to use them and figure out, you know, the different features and all that. So these are gonna take some time learning how to use them, but first impression, they're great. I love them. I was a little skeptical at first, but I think they're worth it. Even if they're a little pricey, you know, I'm happy that I got them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and comment on my video what you guys think about the AirPods. Are you getting them? What kind of videos you guys want next? And please subscribe to my channel. That means so much to me. Subscribe to my channel, Naturally Nathaly. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and join me in for my next video and watch some of my previous videos. But bye y'all from me and my new AirPod Pros.
Taught a lesson to me that I had to learn, and I'm so sorry cause you let our bridges burn. I said I loved you and I wish I never did.